KSTP is here, yes.
Okay.
We did not send them
was-
an invite. We've asked KSTP to not come to any NOC events, not to come to any of our actions, not to film Nouvelle or us unless they apologize. They've chosen not to apologize, and so we asked them not to be here today.
Okay.
We asked them not to record us today or use any
What
footage.
reaction or comment have you had back from KSTP?
It's really interesting. A lot of the reporters, a lot of people there have reached out to me and they say, you know, that's not them. What happened isn't them. It's not a reflection on them. But the station still needs to make a decision. They still need to act. They still need to apologize because it did affect Nouvelle's life. It did affect NOC. It did affect the community. We felt hurt by it. And continuously, black men are being portrayed in the media as one image, and they're being used as a token thing that can be destroyed as if it's disposable. And Nouvelle's not disposable. None of us are disposable. And you don't get to mess with our lives for your rating.
Novelle Gordon is not just a blurred image, she's a person with a name.
Yeah.
And we would appreciate
Back up a second. You were talking to the KSTP
Yes.
camera crew, and they were there.
Yep, that we've asked them not to film Novelle Gordon anymore, not to film any NOC event anymore. They still just show up and they still like film us. After completely disrespecting Novelle Gordon, his family, and embarrass him, we want to make sure that they issue an apology to him. And that's what we're trying to pursue.
Have you had any reaction from the studio?
They just said no, they won't apologize.
The 5 people were in here. The Channel 5 crew was in.
Oh, any reaction from them?
No, yeah.
Oh, yeah, they just said it's a public place and they can film if they want to.